Hey guys, it's me Translumer, and I finally got my mic. I hope you guys can tell the difference. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own Minecraft server and how to port forward on a Quest modem. So first, you need to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser really, and download your Minecraft server.jar. You just download it, and you need to make a folder in your desktop or anywhere you can find it, and name it anything you want. I'll just name mine Minecraft server. All right, I'm just gonna change the color real quick to green because Minecraft is usually green. And there, okay, there. And you just run your files, and then this screen will pop up saying, well, I guess it's not gonna pop up. Well, you just wait. Oh yeah, here it is, the screen. So it pops up and all the files just load. Then after it's done loading, just hold up so you can see. Just stop, and it just closes the screen. After this, you get to see what your IP is. So to see that, you need to go to System Preferences, and you need to go to, I think it's Security? No. Network. And then your network is supposed to be right here. There. So you just look it up. For the Quest, should be 192.168.0.1 right there. Just connect, and your username should be admin, but if it's not, you should ask, like, it should be on the modem. It'll tell you. So I'll just put my thing is admin, and the password is supposed to be password. But for me, it's not that. For me, it's something different. I'll just put that real quick, and I'll just sign in. Admin, and my password. There, I put my password. I think I have to have like all capitals. So now you just go to Advanced Setup, go down to Port Forwarding, and then enter your IP from the network settings. Enter this one. And then you just copy it. Command C. Just enter the IP right there. Port forwarding should be 25565 to 25565. You can have it at you can have any port. I just chose 25565 because it's like the default. So for protocol, you go to TCP UDP, all IP addresses. Just leave everything the same, and then you apply. But I already applied, and this is what just comes up. So I'm not gonna do that. So after you've done that, just close everything. After it's saved, close this and that. Well, no, you don't close this. You keep this open. You make a new text document and call it start. Wait, no. That's not a text document. Hold on. New text edit. Yeah. You see, you guys put this code in for the start command, and then this code in for the terminal, but we're not there yet. So you copy this, make a new, make it format to be make plain text, just apply this, just paste it. Then the only thing you care about is this thing, the 1G and the 2G. This is really like how fast you want your server to run. You could just leave it at 1G. It's like if it's gonna be like for your friends and not many people. But if it's gonna be like for a lot of people, you just have it like for 2, maybe 3. It's your choice. So after you've done that, just save it. Just call it start.command. I'm gonna save it to my desktop. There. Then you just close that. Now you copy this chmod space a plus x space. You copy that. I'm gonna put it in the description. And let's see. There, the start.command is right here. Okay. So now you just go spotlight search terminal. Okay, just ignore all that. Just type chmod space a plus x and drag the start command. Start command right here. Hold up. You could drag the start command to the Minecraft server right now. Just hold up. I gotta delete all this. And then just drag it from here. It has to be in the Minecraft server folder first. Just drag it in there. There. Just run. It runs all, and I think that's it. After you have all that, you could just start. No, before you do anything, you have to rename this. Rename this to Minecraft server.jar. Let's see, is it open with text edit? Minecraft server.jar. Alright, it has to be named exactly like this. So you just start it, and then it just starts. It opens all these screens, and then it's done. So after that, the server is ready. It's ready. So the IP that you have to give your friends is not the one that you gave them to not the one that you got from system preferences. You have to go to a website. It's called ipchicken.com. I'll put this link to the description. You just copy this IP address that it gives you. This is the one that you give your friends so they can join. The one that you use is something different. So right now I'm just gonna go to my Minecraft open launcher, Minecraft launcher, and play, and then it loads. Go to multiplayer, add server, and then the server that you have to put in is local host. That's the one that you use. And it's right there, as you guys can see. Just join in. Then I'm right here in the server. So the IP that I got from this website over here, I'm gonna give it to my friend to test out that it really does work, and they can join it from anywhere they are, or well, anywhere that there's Wi-Fi. So I'll just be right back when I give my IP to my friend. Okay guys, I'm back now, and I forgot to mention about the settings over here in the Minecraft server folder, that this one is for you, so you can ban an IP. As it says right here, just put the IP of the player. This one is ban the player, just put the player's name. This one you don't really mess with. This one you don't mess with either. And ops is like the owner, the one that has all commands. So I could just put my name, Transloomer, and I'll have like all the permissions and everything. And just close it. server properties. This is the one that has a lot of things in it. Hold on, Minecraft music is a little bit loud. Alright, okay, so as I was saying, this one, generator settings, I don't really know what it does, and I don't know what the op permissions level is really. I don't really mess with those. I usually mess with these ones. The one that says allowed to the nether is like so players can join the nether, have nether portals and everything. This is the name for the world. You could name it whatever you want. I'll just keep it like this. Enable query is for, I don't really know what it is, so I wouldn't mess with that. So allow flight is so they can fly, and announce player achievements is like when you're in a game and then you get an achievement and then it just pops up so everybody can see in the chat. And server port, you just leave it at that default. The level type, I don't know what that is, just ignore that. Enable archon, and I don't know what that is, you can just ignore that. Force game mode, I'm not really into all these stuff, so I'm not gonna really know what all these are. I'll just ignore that too. This is level seed. You could just like put a seed you want into the map and it just generate, but it's before you have the these worlds folder, so you have to delete this and then put the level seed again. Server IP, I'll just leave it blank. You don't really need a server IP. The max build height is at default. You could just keep it at that. Spawn NPC is for the NPC villagers to spawn, so you could just put that as true if you want to. Whitelist is so that whitelist false means that any player can join, but if you put that to true, only some players can join. Then you just edit the players that can join on here. Whitelist, just put anybody's name. If that's only if you want like a private server. So this spawn animals, if you want animals and mobs and all that, you could just keep that as true. Snooper enable, I don't know what that is, you can just leave that. Hardcore, I think that's for hardcore mode. And online mode is so like people with cracked accounts and your friends that don't really have a premium account, that didn't buy a Minecraft account. That's where this comes in. If you want them, if they have premium accounts, you just leave it at true, but if they don't, you could just change it to false. In this one, resource pack, you just put the link of the resource pack you want. PvP for player versus player, so if you and your friends want to like fight, you just leave that on. If you don't, you could just turn it off. Difficulty is how hard you want the level to be. I'll just keep it at 1 for normal. Command block is for like if you're making like your own custom maps, you could just enable that, but if you're just playing like legit survival, just keep it at false. Player idle timeout, I think that's if the players aren't doing anything, they just kick them out. I think that's it. And game mode, I think this is the game mode that players just start out with. And max players is how many players can join, and spawn monsters is just the monsters that can spawn, the mobs, the ones that can hurt you. View distance, I don't know what that is. I think that's how far a player can see. Generate structures, I think it's just generating structures to your map. Spawn location, spawn protection, that's like if you spawn at a certain point, 16 blocks of distance that they can't build. They can't. If you want them to build anywhere, you could just put 0. And then this, the MOTD, is what like the server is gonna be like right here. It's this thing right here, the thing that you wanted to say. So I'm just gonna change it to translumer test server. and just close that, and everything's ready. So when you edit all that, you just have to look, somebody joined the server, my friend. Just stop the server. This closes, and then the other screen closed. So then you can just start the server again, and all those changes will be there. Okay, preparing, done. And right there you see Translumer server. Just join it, and you see there's my friend. So I guess that's it, guys. That's how you make your own Minecraft server. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I'll reply to them as soon as I can. And if this video really helped, please leave a like. And if it didn't, or if I missed something, you could just message me or leave a comment, and I could just add it to the video, make a new video maybe. And yeah, guys, that's it. See you next time.